Hi children, welcome to our class. In the last class we have discussed about the LCM and HCF. LCM, least common multiple, and HCF, highest common factor. Okay, and how to find LCM and HCF in by finding out the multiples and factors. Okay, now we move on to the properties of factors. First property is every non-zero number is a factor of itself. See, for example, 3. 3 is a factor of 3 itself. Okay, because 3 divided by 3 is 1. 45 is a factor of 45. 45 divided by 45 is 1 only. That is why every number is a factor of itself. And second property, 1 is a factor of every number. As you know, every number comes in the table of 1. So, 1 is a factor of every number. Third property is every non-zero number is a factor of 0. 0, as you know, 0 multiplied by any number is 0 only. Then every non-zero number is a factor of 0. And fourth property is factors of a number are finite. There are countable number of factors for a particular number. Now properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of itself. See, for example, 5 comes in the table of 5. So 5 is a multiple of 5. 100 comes in the table of 100 itself. So 100 is a multiple of 100 only. Okay. So second property is every number is a multiple of 1. As I said before, every number comes in the table of 1. So it is a multiple, every number is a multiple of 1 only. Okay. Next property is multiples of a number are infinite. Infinite means there are uncountable number of multiples for a particular number. Okay. Now next comes definition of odd numbers. Odd numbers, a number which is not a multiple of 2 is called an odd number. Odd number. The number comes under the table of 2 are all even numbers, and the numbers which are not in that table are called odd numbers. Okay, so even number, a number which is a multiple of 2. Okay, so odd number and even number definitions over. Next is a prime number, a number which is greater than 1 and has exactly 2 factors. 2 factors in the sense that 1 and the number itself is called a prime number. Okay, that means number which is greater than 1 and exactly 2 factors, 1 and the number. Suppose 3 and 1 are the factors of 3 only. 3. 5 has factors as 1 and 5 only. Okay, and 11 has factors as 1 and 11 only. So these numbers are called prime numbers. Now composite numbers. The numbers which are not prime are called composite numbers. A number which is greater than 1 and has more than 2 factors. Okay, only 2 factors, it is a prime number. Then more than 2 factors is a composite number. Okay. So factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. So these numbers are composite numbers. Now next comes twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers having a difference of 2 are known as twin prime numbers. Two prime numbers having difference of 2. Difference of 2 means 3 and 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. So 3 and 5. The pair 3 and 5 is called a twin prime number. 5 and 7. 7 minus 5 is 2 and 5, 7. Both are prime numbers. So these numbers are called twin prime numbers. Okay. Now next comes co-prime numbers. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they have no common factor other than 1. Okay, for example, 2, 3. 2 and 3. Number 2 and 3 has common factor 1 only. 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These numbers have common factors as 1 only. So these numbers are called co-prime numbers. Now some questions I have solved here. First one, check if first number is a factor of the second number. For example, I have given 4 and 48. To find 4 is a factor of 48, we have to divide 48 by 4. First divide 48 by 4. If you get 0 as the remainder, then 4 is a factor of 48. If it is not 0, then it is not a factor of 48. Okay, two examples I have shown here, 12 and 50 also shown here. Next is express each as a sum of 3 odd prime numbers. 3 odd prime numbers, 53. 53 you have to show as the sum of 3 odd prime numbers. See here 53 I have written as 23 plus 17 plus 30. This is not the only way. You can find out 3 more prime numbers and add them to get 53. There are more cases, answers. Okay, find it out yourself. Okay. Now next is write the greatest prime number less than or equal to the following numbers. 59. 59's just greatest prime number less than it is 57, and 96 just smaller prime number is 89 only. Okay, now write all the multiples of 5 between 30 and 50. 30 and 50 you have so many numbers, so the multiples of 5 between 30 and 50 are 35, 40 and 45. Okay, write all the prime numbers between 65 and 90. Prime numbers, you need to find the prime numbers only between 65 and 90. So prime numbers between 65 and one table is given in your textbook. Go through that table. It is called sieve of Eratosthenes. In that, how to find out prime numbers 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Between 1 to 100 numbers, how to find out prime numbers, that the way is given, steps is given in the textbook. Go through that steps, and that from that you can find out composite numbers and prime numbers. From that table you can find out 67, 71, 73, 79, 83 and 89 are the prime numbers lying between 65 and 90. Okay. Now next question, are 27 and 72 a co-prime? 1. We have to say that these two numbers 27 and 72 are co-prime. Co-prime numbers to be co-prime, what you have to find out? We have to find out their common factor is 1 only. If two numbers have common factor as 1, then only they are called co-prime numbers. Let us see factors of 27. We have 1, 3, 9, 27. And factors of 72 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18, 24, 36 and 72. Okay, and from this we have common factors as 1, 3 and 9, and the highest common factor HCF is 9 only. It is not 1. Hence these two numbers are not co-prime numbers. Okay, clear? Now worksheet has given here. Check if the first number is a factor of the second number. I have shown it in the solved examples. Just go through that and follow the steps. Same steps. Okay, to solve these questions. Express each as the sum of 3 odd prime numbers, 101 and 96. Find out. You can see many answers, not only one answer. Okay, you can express in many ways. Now, third question, write all the multiples of 17 between 40 and 90. You can use that table, sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay, from that, sorry, it's multiple of 17. 17's multiple, you can get it from the multiplication table of 17. Okay, you have to write numbers between 40 and 90 only. Okay, now how many even prime numbers are there in the set of natural numbers? How many even prime numbers are there in the set of natural numbers? In the natural number system, how many even prime numbers are there? Just think about it and answer it. Okay. Write all the pairs of twin prime numbers less than 20. 1 to 20. How many twin prime numbers are there? You just find out twin prime numbers between 1 to 20. Now write 5 pairs of co-prime numbers. 5 pairs of co-prime numbers, as I have shown you how to find out co-prime numbers. Just take numbers and try for it. You have to find 5 pairs. Okay. Now write the multiples of 23 between 80 and 180. Multiples of, as in the case of 17, here also multiples of table of 23 between 80 and 180. Okay, that's all for the worksheet. Have a nice day and stay safe and healthy. Thank you.